Mahigit isang buwan nang sinusubaybayan ng halos 2 milyong Pilipino sa buong mundo ang vlog ng Australianong si Brian Gorel. Dito nakadetalye ang di umano'y panloloko at pagdanakaw sa kanya ng Pinoy socialite at lifestyle columnist na si DJ Montano. Ngayon, sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, sinagot ni Montano ang mga bintang sa kanya. Exclusive nagpapatrol, Chief Correspondent Corina Sanchez.
Kusang loob na lumapit sa ABS-CBN ang kontrobersyal na manunulat at photographer na si DJ Montano na kasama ng pamilya ay humingi ng pagkakataong maglabas ng kanilang panig ukol sa mga akusasyon ng dating kaibigan ang Australianong si Brian Gorel.
I sent this money for my future, for my business that we were creating together. This is money that I need back.
Nung unang linggo ng Marso, ibinulgar ni Gorel sa kanyang blog na natangayan umano siya ni Montano ng 70,000 Australian dollars na sosyo sana sa isang restaurant pero wala namang nangyari. Tahasang itinanggi ni Montano ang pagtanggap ng nasabing halaga.
This 70,000, this amount of 70,000, you mean it doesn't exist? He never gave you the amount?
Not at all. Not at all.
Sumama ang kaibigan at kasama sa isang lingguhang programa sa radyo na si Mo Twister sa pagtatanong kay Montano.
So the whole restaurant, opening a restaurant, all of that is completely false?
I have no business plans with him whatsoever.
Itinanggi rin ni Montano na siya ay isang adik sa drogang cocaine.
I am not a cocaine addict.
Okay, so that is an outright denial.
Of course, since this blog came out, people would just come up to me and say, hey, pay up. Or, you know, they'd anonymously slip papers and say, pay up.
Tumanggi si Gorel na makinig sa usapan at magbigay ng agarang reaksyon sa telepono mula sa Australia. Matagal na raw niyang sinubukan na kausapin si Montano, ngunit siya daw ay iniiwasan. Ngunit siya'y may ipinatanong para sa dating kaibigan.
He says that it was his life savings. How did you spend it?
First and foremost, I didn't have any money to spend from him. He was given every bit of it.
Ask him why he cheated on me and ask him why he is a thief.
I may be many things. I have certainly had my share of my mistakes. I am far from being a saint. One thing I am not a thief.
Samantala ay nagsalita rin ang pamilya Montano na binanggit din ni Gorel sa kanyang blog.
Your baby's photo was
was
published.
in the blog. I don't think that's fair to publish an innocent baby.
What is 70,000 Australian dollars? It's so easy for us to pay. But my son doesn't owe him money. It is a matter of principle.
Some sort of a blackmail.
Yes.
I think when he was able to live here, he lived a very, very, very comfortable life. He lived like a king.
Yes.
And of course, now he's trying to make something out of this thing. I don't know, he's trying to make money maybe.
Ayon sa abogado ni Montano ay itutuloy-tuloy nila ang kasong libel dito man o kahit sa Australia at sila'y naniniwalang sila'y mananalo. Base naman sa ipinadalang mensahe ni Gorel sa amin ay handa siyang humarap sa anumang kaso dahil siya raw ang nagsasabi ng totoo.
For Brian, I would like to challenge him to finally have the courage to face me. I have not been hiding. I have not left the country. I am not afraid of him. I will see him in court.
Corina Sanchez, Patrol ng Pilipino.